Hello everyone. Now it's story time, and today we are going to learn about being different. Now you tell me, you and your brother or sister, are you both same? अब क्या आप दोनों एक जैसे ही हो? No, but then also your parents love both of you the same way. It is not like that your parents love you more and or your mother or father love your sister or brother more. It is not like that. They both love you, both of you, in the same way. So now we will see a story about being different. Let's listen. In a park there are many trees. Do they all look the same? No, every tree is different. The coconut tree is tall, the neem tree has small leaves, the lime tree has thorns. Every tree is beautiful. Now, see, whenever you are going to the park, you saw you see so many trees. All the trees are same? No. All the trees are different in shape. Its leaves are different. Its color is also sometimes different. It every tree has different types of flower also, and some tree has thorns also. So, so all the trees are different from each other. But then also all the trees are beautiful. Like trees, people are also different from each other. Some are tall, some wear glasses, some have long hair, some have short hair. Everyone is different, everyone is special, and everyone is beautiful. See, as I told you, there are different types of trees. The same way, there are different types of people in the world, and all the people are different from each other. If you are tall, then you feel that that boy or girl is short, so you feel you just make them tease. मतलब अब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो बहुत छोटा है, तो आप उसकी हंसी उड़ाओगे, उसकी मस्ती करोगे. बट यू शुड नॉट डू लाइक दैट, because all are different from each other, and all are beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. Now we will see the story about this. Read this story to find out how different we are from others. Now we will see the story, The Donkey and the Dog. A washerman had a donkey and a dog. You know washerman? Washerman, the person who is washing the clothes. We can say dhobi. A washerman had a donkey and a dog. A dog's name was Bonzo. The donkey lived in a shade outside the master's house. The dog stayed inside the house all day. A washerman had two pets, a dog and the donkey. The donkey lived outside the washerman's house, and the dog stayed inside the house all the day. Let's go to the river and wash the clothes. I need you to carry my bag. Washerman was telling to the donkey that he want to go to the river to wash the clothes, and he need the help of donkey to carry the bag. So many clothes are there, so he could not carry the clothes. That is why he told to donkey that he need he needs to help from donkey that it will carry the clothes. Every morning he would go to the river to wash clothes and the donkey would carry the clothes. हर रोज सुबह इसी तरह ये लोग कपड़े धोने के लिए नदी के किनारे जाते थे and at that time donkey would carry the clothes because the washerman could not carry the clothes. That is why donkey would carry the clothes. In the evening, let's go home. You must be tired and hungry. And in the evening, the washerman says to the donkey, let's go home. You must be tired and hungry. Yes, I am. Yes, I am tired, master. Let's go home. And donkey was telling, yes, I am tired. Let's go home. At home, whenever they reach to the home, what happens? Hello Bonzo, it's so nice to see you. जैसे ही वो लोग घर पहुंचते थे, उनका जो डॉगी था जिसका नाम बोंजो था, वो खुश होके वॉशरमैन को गले लग जाता था. I am very happy to see you too, master. Carry me please. And Bonzo, the doggy, was also feeling happy to see the washerman, and they both pleased to see each other. And it happens like this every evening whenever washerman and donkey came back to the home. Every time the doggy Bonzo and washerman happy to see each other, and they hug each other, and the master would lift Bonzo and carry him into the हाउस. और फिर वो जो वॉशरमैन था वो डॉगी को उठा के घर के अंदर लेके जाता था. So in today we will do the story. We will read the story till this part, and we will continue the story in the next part. But till that you have to read the story from the textbook and read this page number 49 from your textbook, and keep reading, and of course keep practicing for English speaking. Okay, so I hope all of you understood in this story, and we will continue the story in the next period. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.